Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing and exploring the powerful and precise Sauermann LV110 anemometer. Whether you're a professional HVAC technician or an enthusiast, this device is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Right on top, we have the calibration certificate. This ensures that our device is accurate and ready for precise measurements. Next, we have the quick start guide. This handy booklet will walk you through the initial setup and basic operations. Inside the box, we see the protective sponge that keeps the components secure during transport. Here's the LV110 itself. Let's remove the protective cap and reveal the wings. It comes with a coiled cable that provides flexibility for various testing situations. This cable handles both tight spaces and ceiling vents, extending up to 2.4 meters. The LV110 is lightweight and fits comfortably in your hand. Its ergonomic design prevents strain, allowing you to work comfortably and efficiently even during extended use. Let's install the batteries. It uses 4 AAA batteries which provide up to 58 hours of continuous use. Now, let's power it on. Simply press the on/off button and the LV110 springs to life. You can also toggle the backlight on or off using the dedicated button for easy reading in low-light conditions. The hold, maximum, and minimum buttons allow you to freeze readings and view the highest and lowest recorded values. The LV110 measures temperatures from -20 to +80 degrees Celsius. Perfect for various environments. Switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit easily using the select button. Customize your measurements by selecting different units for air velocity, airflow, and temperature to suit your specific needs. This flexibility ensures precise readings in any testing environment. The LV110 features a handy hang option, allowing you to keep it within reach during tests. Let's test the device by placing the vane in front of an AC unit. Watch as the LV110 accurately detects and displays the temperature changes. Once you're done, simply press the on/off button to power down the device. That's it for our unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our website for more amazing products. Thanks for watching.